Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing classification of industries. Now, let's see how industries are classified into different categories on the basis of raw material, on the basis of ownership and size. Now, on the basis of raw material, agro-based industries, mineral-based industries, marine-based industries and forest-based industries. Besides that, we can also say pastoral-based industries also, means the industries which get their raw material from the animals. Now, agro-based industries. They receive the products from the plants and animals. They are labor intensive industries. They require less capital investment, as well as, for example, rice mill, dairy products and cotton textile, leather industries are example of agro based industries. Mineral based industries. They require the raw material extracted from the mines like iron rods, which are used for manufacturing heavy machineries and different other construction things. Building material, railway coaches are also prepared by iron. Next is marine based industries. It means the raw material which we get from the sea or water bodies. For example, fish oil and different varieties of fish, lobsters, etc. Now, next is forest based industries. They get their raw material from the forests. Example, paper industries and furniture industries. Building construction as well as pharmaceutical industries also example of this. Now, on the basis of ownership. On the basis of ownership, industries are private sector, public sector, joint sector and cooperative sector industries. Besides that, one more category can be said, that is your multinational corporations or MNC. Now let's discuss about these categories. Private sector industries means a single individual or group of people are owning that. Main aim is to earn the profit, and example is Tisco and Reliance Industries. Now let's see the government sector or public sector. They are owned and run by the government. Their main motive is the welfare of the people. They do not think only about profit. That's why we also call them non-profit organizations. Example, SAIL and BSNL. SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited. Next is our joint sector. Joint sector means in this the government plus private individual jointly control an industry. For example, Maruti Udyog Limited. It is an example of joint sector industry. Cooperative sector industry. In this the producers are jointly owner of that. Profit and loss is also shared equally among the owners. For example, Amul Industries and Sudha Dairy. So, these are examples of cooperative sector industries. Now, let's see on the basis of size. On the basis of size, industries are classified into three categories: large scale industries, small scale industries and cottage industries. Now, let's discuss large scale industries, or that one. All these are according to the manpower, investment and volume of production. Large scale industry, huge infrastructure is there, huge manpower as well as the investment is also very high. So all the heavy industries will come under this category, as well as automobile manufacturing. Small scale industry, less capital and investment is necessary for that. Like for example, cycle industry, electronic goods are small scale industries. Cottage industries. They are mostly owned by the family members, working is also by them, very less capital investment and low production of goods, mainly for the local market or nearby market. Example, handloom, pottery and handicraft items. So this way we have seen all these are different categories on which the industries can be classified on the basis of raw material, size as well as ownership, remaining in next class.